Crypto Future back in the lab once again, guys. What's going on? What's good? Let's have a look over at BTC and what's going on today, guys. Grayscale dumped another $266 million this morning on us. Pulled the market down a bit, but we're recovering nicely from that. Bitcoin back up over 70,100, looking good. Hopefully, we're going to have another good daily close. We'll be streaming live to catch the daily close in about 5.5 hours, something like that, at the time of the recording. Anyways, so yeah, we'll see what goes on. Let's have a look at at our story for today, guys. We got some bullishness, potential bullishness, guys. Check it out. If this morning frustrated you, this is good news. So Grayscale Bitcoin Trust records a new low in outflows. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, experienced a record low of outflows, coinciding with Bitcoin's recovery following the volatility triggered by the U.S. inflation data. According to Farside Data, GBTC saw an outflow of 17.5 million on April 10th, a significant drop compared to the 154.9 million outflow recorded on April 9th. GBTC sets another record. Amid these developments, the price of Bitcoin increased by 2.08% in the last 24 hours, trading at 70,474, according to CoinMarketCap data at the time of writing. Within the same time frame, after the release of the U.S. Consumer Price Index for March, Bitcoin briefly dropped to a local low of 67.4 and ended up being 3.5% higher than expected on the annual basis. This situation has raised concerns that the U.S. Federal Reserve might delay interest rate cuts even further. We were talking yesterday about it being possibly September. Some crypto commentators are hopeful that the slowdown in GBTC outflows, which have reached a $16 billion since its conversion to a spot Bitcoin ETF fund in January, could be the beginning of a trend. Thus, Thomas Ferrer, CEO of the crypto-focused review portal Apollo, asked his 41,500 followers in a post dated April 11th, "Is the GBTC sell-off over?" He also noted that the April 10th outflows were roughly equivalent to 250 bitcoins, and that there has been nearly 95% decrease in outflows since the beginning of the week. Just a few days earlier, on April 8th, Grayscale witnessed outflows worth 303 million, equivalent to 4,288 BTC. As you can see in the tweet, GBTC selling over with just 250 BTC in outflows, 18.5 million, down 95% from Monday. The previous low was on February 26th. The outflow was 22.4 million from GBTC. The average daily GBTC outflow over the 4 months has been 257.8 million. Fidelity-wise, Origin Bitcoin Fund recorded an inflow of 76.3 million. BlackRock's iShares Trust, 33.3 million. Bitwise Bitcoin ETF Fund, 24.3 million. And ARK with 21 shares, Bitcoin ETF fund is 7.3 million. The recently bankrupt crypto leading firm Genesis sold approximately 36 GBTC shares to purchase 32,041 Bitcoins. So we're seeing some shuffling here, guys, but are we starting to see, despite the fact that we saw, what was it again, 600 and something million in sales from Grayscale today, outflows from Grayscale. Are we starting to see signs of the Grayscale slowing down, possibly coming to a screeching halt? We're going to have to stay on top of it, guys. Listen, even if they sold 100%, right, they would be completely out at this pace by July, right? And I know that people are like, I don't want to wait till July. Well, you might not have to. I doubt they're going to sell 100% of their shares, right? I really strongly doubt they're going to sell 100%. They got to be getting close to being almost done. And once that is done, guys, you also have to consider, we talked about it in the live stream this morning, we're going to have inflows. Hong Kong is passing their spot Bitcoin ETF. They're approving it on the 15th, which is 4 days from now. That's going to take about 2 weeks to set up and have available to customers. So probably beginning to middle of May, we'll start to see the inflows from Hong Kong and mainland China into the spot Bitcoin ETFs over there. Germany just passed theirs, I believe, about a week ago. So maybe about a week and a half till we start to see inflows from there. We have London getting ready to pass theirs as well. So a lot of inflows are going to start taking place in Bitcoin as the outflows begin to dissipate, which is going to equal an absolutely insane price for BTC. And as a result, JASMY and all the other altcoins. Let me know what you guys think about this. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Click the join button to get members-only live streams on Sundays. We do microcap gems. We released 3 microcap gems last Sunday. You don't want to miss out on these guys. One of them, I believe, will 80 to 100x. Follow me on X. Join the Discord. And yeah, once again, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.